Hello, it's me, f.o.o initials. Gonna just do a quick law book content reading to a couple of law acts. I'll get it. Here's the Antarctica Treaty, 1959, Constitutional Reform and Governance Act, 2010, EC Guidelines on the recognition of new states in Eastern Europe and USSR, 1991. EC Treaty, 1957, Article 281, European Convention Human Rights, 1950, Article 1, Article 34, Harvard Research Draft Convention on Criminal Jurisdiction, 1935, Human Rights Act, 1998, ICC Statute, 2010. So ask Alexa, what's the ICC statute? Alexa, what's the ICC statute?
From georef.net. The Rome Statute is a multilateral treaty which serves as the ICC's foundational and governing document.
Okay, thank you very much. Alexa, thank you.
Anytime.
Okay, so back to this law reading. So you can always ask Alexa for any legal basic advice or other scientific or professional or trade if she knows a rule of regulation, etc. A law or price of translation or calculation. Okay, a fact, website, a date, and then you always get them reminders, calendar, and alarms and whatnot, timers and stuff. Okay, so you got the ICC Statute 2010, ICJ Statute 1945, Article 36, 38. Okay, you got ILC Articles on State Responsibility 2001, ILC Draft Articles on Diplomatic Protection 2006. Let's ask Alexa, who's the ILC? Alexa, who's the ILC? Alexa, who's the ILC? There's a lot of Alexas going on. Look, I will unplug. This is unplug and replug to reset. Maybe it's audio. Who knows? Hope it ain't a virus. It's COVID getting in. Okay. ILC Draft Articles on Diplomatic Protection 2006. Inter-American Convention on Human Rights, who could they be? Possibly Americans. 1969. International Convention. It's not about what's the organization completely, that they'd be referenceable. It's about what there's going on about. It's diplomatic protection. So, 2006. International Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination, 1965. International Convention on Civil and Political Rights, 1966. International Military Tribunal at Nuremberg, 1946. Kellogg-Briand Pact, 1927. Alexa may know that, so just to turn back on. Let me ask my Alexa watch, yeah? Let's see. Ask Alexa watch. Oh, I've lost connection. But this, nah. Okay. Anyways, you get the Kellogg-Briand Pact 1928. Montevideo Convention on the Rights and Duties of States 1933. Montreal Convention for the Suppression of Unlawful Act against the Safety of Civil Aircraft 1971. NATO Treaty, Article 5. Outer Space Treaty, 1967. Probably with Neil Armstrong's going up. Rome Statute on the International Criminal Court, 1998. Article 5. Treaty of the European Union is amended by the Treaty of Lisbon, 2007, Article 47. Lisbon, Spain, I believe. Or Lisbon, Australia. The UN Charter, Article 1, 2, and other through. UN Charter of Economic Rights and Duties of States. UN Colonial Declaration, 7th 1514, 1960. UN Colonial Declaration again. And then UN Conference on the Law of Treaties, 1968-1969. It took place over a whole year, believed. UN Convention Against Torture, 1984. UN Declaration on the Principles of International Law. That year, the UN Convention Against Torture year I was born. UN Declaration on the Principles of International Law concerning, because note the full legal law, that when can, can't, if can, can't, what isn't ain't declared torture to what kind of war criminal or innocent person. There's been a shadow of a doubt, even confessive, and those that completely innocent and lawful and law-abiding, that without any aiding and abetting war criminals in their name to them culprits in any war crime while they lay back with seeming fraudulent immunity disguise to those on borderline threatening, nukes, killing, and other such illegal, heinous crime or war crime about the UN Convention Against Torture. Okay, so concerning friendly relations, the UN Declaration on the Prohibition of Military, Political, Economic Coercion in the Conclusion of Treaties, 1968-1969. UN General Assembly Resolution, UN General Assembly Resolution again, 2012-2014. UN General Assembly Resolution, 1947. UN High-Level Panel on Threats, Challenges, and Change, 2004. UN Human Rights Committee, General Commitment Number 12, 1984. UN Resolution on the Definition of Aggression, 1974. And then UN Resolution on Permanent Sovereignty over Natural Resources, UN 1803 to 1962, as well again, excuse me. UN Security Council Resolution 1990, and there's a lot of UN Security Council Resolution 660, 662, 678, 687, 1368, 1441, 1973. Okay, then United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, 1982. Vienna Convention on Consular Relations, 1963, Article 36. Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations, 1961. Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties, 1969. And it's through many articles. Well, that's another law book reading and content what I find very interesting. Maybe sometime tell a story. Remember to subscribe.